Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you best free software to create your own customized desktop menu with unlimited submenus in Windows. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and in the Google search for one application name as Custom Menu by Uda. On the first list you will see the developer website. Just click on it. Now on the right side you will see your releases. Just click on it. Now you can see here custom menu releases.zip. Just click on it to download this application. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So just double click it to extract the zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. Now just double left click on the first file. You can see a notification. So the application has started. So it's saying right click on the desktop. So just right mouse click. So now you can see your options. Just right mouse click again. Now it will open the configuration settings. So you can see the user interface of this application, right? So you might find it a little bit complex. What is this? What is that? So don't worry, I'll make it simple. So on the left panel you can see right click to me to open configuration, right? So at the bottom you can see your plus, right? So you can add a new menu here. So we have created a new menu. This is not a sub menu, this is a menu. So you can give a menu name. Say I'll just give it I will add here just Chrome. Just to give you an example, you can give anything. And below you can see here under the command you can see here one option, browse. Just click on it. Now you need to select a exe file, that is a Windows software file. So let me go to the local C drive and let me go to program files. We go to Google. Let me add a Chrome. So I have selected a Chrome. Let me select it. So now you can see on the left side the Chrome application is being added. Now once you're done with your settings, you can just click on save, and in order to check a preview you can just click on this show menu. Now you can see how it will look once you right mouse click. And now say you want to add a sub menu for this Chrome, right? So firstly just click on this plus icon again and let us create a application, say Notepad. And once again under this command just click on this browse and let us search the Notepad application. So let me select the Notepad, click on select. So the Notepad has been added. Now once again click on this save. Now in order to add this Notepad as a sub menu for this Chrome, what you can do is firstly select the respective file. Say in my case it's a Notepad, and just left mouse click and keep holding and just drag it on the Chrome. Now you can see the Notepad is being added as a sub menu for this Chrome. Again you can add a multiple sub menus again by doing the similar method. Now you can click on save here and you can check the preview before using it final. Click on show menu. So you can see, and now let us close this and let us right mouse click. Now you can see here, and now if you click on it you can access the applications. And if you want to move back to the configuration, just right mouse click, and once again after putting your mouse cursor on this, right click to me to open the configuration. Just right mouse click, it will open back the configurations options. And if you want to close it, then just click on this taskbar tray menu, right mouse click. Now you can see here it's saying exit or right click the desktop. So you can click on it, and still after clicking exit, if the application does not get closed, then what you can do is on your computer keyboard just press and hold shift and click on the right mouse button. Now the application will get exit, as you can see here. So in my opinion, it's the best free software to create your own customized desktop menu with unlimited submenus in Windows very easily. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.